Welcome back to the channel, guys. Self Educated Economist here, and today we're going to be looking at the crude oil price after the events of this weekend, Saturday. On Saturday the 3rd, as you may or may not know, the president of Venezuela was essentially removed physically by the U.S. military and moved out of the country. I'm not saying what's right or wrong. This is not a political channel. It's just what happened. I'm just kind of interested to see what happens to the price action of oil, and pretty much nothing happened. I mean, if you look at the long term chart here of oil, it's in a long term downtrend, and it's pretty much getting a couple of days ago, end of December. Well, not end of December, but like mid December. Oil hit these lows, and it revisited the same lows that you got back in May and April of earlier this year. But essentially, as you could see, oil is in a multi-year downtrend from its last highs of 2022, right? So it's in a multi-year downtrend. And if you guys were around tracking the price of oil during the pandemic, it actually got into negative territory, which was something you would never think of. But yeah, it didn't really have much of a price. Much of the effects of the weekend didn't really have much of an effect on the price of oil. But maybe now we're gonna see some bullishness and maybe even a reversal. And potentially a reversal could happen if you get some daily closes above this green moving average over here. This is the 55 EMA on a daily. So if gold started closing some dailies above that number, around right now sitting at $58.9 per barrel of crude oil, then maybe we're going to have a reversal on our hands. Until then, I think it's still really just a downtrend. Let's take a look at it, maybe a weekly, see what that looks like. Yeah, this is not a pretty looking chart, but you know what? Maybe the events of the weekend will start a reversal in the price of oil. We will see. And then quickly we'll look at the price of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has finally started to really bounce, and really if Bitcoin could get above more or less this 94.3, what is this high here? 94, whoops, 94.4, call it 94.5. Yeah, so if Bitcoin could start closing above like 94.5, then I think we'll really have a real, not reversal, but at least some short term uh, up, a counter rally move is what the words I'm looking for, right? Maybe up to this $100,000 price, and maybe a little bit higher than that. But for now, I guess it's just a wait and see, and we'll see how long it takes for Bitcoin to really work its way up there. And that's it for today's video. If you're liking the content, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like it. If you dislike it, well, drop a dislike. And yeah, if you have any comments, drop them down in the comment section. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.